Hello everyone and welcome to our today's TFLOW Market Monitor broadcast. My name is Gianni, and as always we will analyze 10 cryptocurrencies with the help of course of the TFLOW Trading Engine, a special tool we have developed on the TradingView platform. As you can see, here is our TradingView profile. You can follow us for more updates and ideas, and of course by clicking tflow.ai you will visit our site and learn more about the trading engine. Here, services, trading engine. In this section, you can learn how to access the trading engine as it is available directly from our site, and how you can purchase access packages with TFLOW tokens over here. So let's keep moving on with our today's report. As you can see, today's market cap is about $1.17 trillion, while the 24-hour volume is about 46.06 billion. The dominance of Bitcoin is about 49.9%, and the Fear and Greed Index is 59%. Yesterday, we observed a flash crash on the price of Bitcoin that had a negative impact on the whole crypto market and the total market cap. As you can see, we have a decrease of 2.66% over the last hours. And as you can see, according to the last 24-hour, we have no coins with positive returns for the moment. Nevertheless, according to the altcoin season index, nothing significantly changed. We are still in a Bitcoin month by 14%. Bitcoin still leads the market, and Bitcoin Cash still is the leader of the top 50 performance over the last month. So let's keep moving on with our today's report, starting with the Bitcoin chart. After this small movement, close to the previous top, we observed an aggressive decrease back to the 50 SMA line. As you can see, the price of Bitcoin is quite choppy, and may the conflict between bullish and bearish signals will continue within the next hours or days. From a technical perspective, we observe this area over here on the 50 SMA line, as we can see a small increase, and likely the price encountered the previous resistance once again. We are watching the Ethereum chart. As you can see, despite this pump, we are still in a short mode according to the trading engine, and currently we are gaining 5.64% for our short position. We may face some pressure from buyers over there according to the 200 SMA line and the volume profile indicator. Not a good movement for the Binance coin. We had a conflict between bullish and bearish signals. After this retest, we are in a short mode, but we are close to the previous support area. So we may see a slight decrease over here, and the price fulfilled this small gap on the volume profile. And after that, we may see a long position opening. XRP is in a short mode, close to the previous support area. Nothing significantly changed for the price of XRP. We are still in this pattern, but we are close to the bottom. So you can secure your profits for the moment for XRP and wait for more updates, as the price could rebound from these areas over here. Atom is currently in a short mode. The price failed to stay above the 50 SMA line. Actually, it dropped below. So we observe this strong trading area over here according to the VPVR profile. And if the price failed to stay strong within the next few hours or days, we may see the price of Atom fulfill this gap on the VPVR profile. We are still in a short mode for MATIC, and we are currently gaining 2.47% for the moment. And if the price loses this area on the volume profile, may create a further decrease close to the previous bottom on the VPVR profile. Let's see what's happening with Doge. It's in a short mode right now and currently gaining in 3.75% for the moment. Actually, Doge is playing pretty well with the trading engine algorithm. As you can see, we have some successful trades over the last days and keep going. So for the moment, we are in a bearish mode. The price fluctuates below the 50 SMA line, and if it fails to hold this area on the volume profile, it may fulfill this gap until the previous bottom on the VPVR profile. Let's keep moving on with FTM. Unfortunately, we are long for the moment on the FTM, but we have some chances for a rebound from this area and the volume profile indicator. We're still waiting for updates within the next few hours or days and for new signals from the trading engine. What a successful trade for VeChain. VeChain is currently in a short mode and running with 8.99% gains for the moment. And the price, according to the technicals, is pretty bearish, as you can see. The price fluctuates below the 2 SMA lines, and if it fails to hold this area on the VPVR profile, we may see a further decrease in the near future. So let's end up our today's report with Solana token. Solana is still in a long mode right now and currently gaining 2.42% for the moment. You can secure your profits as the market is pretty unstable. According to the last hours, the last support for Solana token is the 200 SMA line. So we observe this area over here. Until the price fails to hold it, we may see a further decrease close to the 50 SMA line or the volume profile area, and a new short signal will be generated. So that's all for today's report. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend, and I will see you next week.